tour of room 322 at the Townplace Suites by Marriott, Minneapolis-St. Paul Airport, Eagan, Minnesota. Here's a map of the floor. There's 2 elevators to each side. I am in a studio queen suite. These are the 1 or 2 bedrooms, probably 1 bedrooms. The 1 bedrooms are in here, and these are probably the 2 bedrooms here. I'll start showing you here. We have the light for the hallway. We have stuff for the sofa bed, iron, closet. Lots of space in the closet, actually. And really high up. Extras of these, which are nice. This, it's not a light, turns the doorbell on or off. Obviously, I'm going to keep that off so no one dings the doorbell. A massive bathroom. Let me close this door. It's a classic, like a normal door. It's really light, but I guess this was recently renovated, or I don't know how recent, but it was renovated. Nice bathroom. It's big. I wouldn't exactly. Okay, you scared me for a second. I wouldn't exactly call it homey. It is the handicap room, so it has this thing here. I wouldn't exactly call it homey just because I want to take a look at this room. It's kind of blank. But listen, this is an airport hotel. It's inexpensive. It's very inexpensive for what I paid for this. It's an older hotel. It has a desk, outlet, USB. You have a desk, phone, the light here with the switch being right there. Weird. I guess you have an Ethernet connector right there. You have a sofa bed with 1 arm. I guess this is permanent. Yep, that's permanent. It is. It's fine. This goes up, and there's a storage area in this bench right here. You have a table, lamp, big blank wall, which I guess should have a window in it. But they don't. Now here's the bed and the kitchen. So we'll go over that in a second. This whole area, so much room for activities here. They could easily have fit a bed here, honestly, and another couch here. They probably should have. But this is a queen suite. Honestly, it's a terrible layout, if I'm going to admit. But this is what it looks like from the corner. So, this is what it looks like from the corner. Honestly, lots of room. You have a full kitchen. 3/4 size fridge. Freezer. Electric oven. Comes with some stuff. Warming drawer. 4-place burners. Nothing up there. Pots. Obviously, this is a little bit older. You can see it's definitely a 90s design. Probably one of the older original Townplace suites when open. There's nothing much. Oh, there's plates. You get 3 glasses, 4 sometimes, I guess. 1 went missing. Some bowls, Pyrex, microwave. So it scrapes along the wall there. I guess that wasn't planned. I just didn't expect that. Let's see when it was made. 2015. So this is microwave from 2015. Probably obviously not new, but the toaster, dishwasher. Is there a disposal? Yes, there is. I don't see a switch for it. They might have. I guess they might have. Oh, there's a switch. There's a disposal. 2 garbage cans. I'm guessing it was renovated in the late 20-teens. Is my guess. You got stuff. You got that. Front desk staff is very nice. Bed. Test that. AC window unit. Right next to the bed. Thankfully, when I walked in, it was on the heat mode. We are in Minnesota, however, it's 70 degrees outside. It's 9 p.m. View of the Spring Hill. TV. Yep, definitely an older TV, but whatever. Anyway, that's this room. Let me know what you think and if you have any questions.